Yesterday we were in Aladdin and the magic lamp. Today we will proceed further. When the fire was burning brightly, the magician threw some magic powder on it. हमने कहा था वो जंगल में लेके गए और वहाँ पे उन्होंने आग जलाने के लिए कहा. आग जली तो उन्होंने एक पाउडर उसमें डाला, मैजिक पाउडर on it, and said some magic word, and he spoke some magic word. Suddenly a cloud of smoke came from the fire. What happened? When he threw the magic powder, suddenly there was a cloud of smoke. Smoke यानी धुआं. The ground began to shake, और धरती हिलने लग गई. A noise like thunder was heard. The ground opened, और वहाँ से थंडर यानी कड़कने की आवाज़, और वैसे एक आवाज़ सुनाई दी और पृथ्वी का खुल गई. अलादीन वॉज वेरी फ्राइटेंड एंड वांटेड टू रन अवे. अलादीन बहुत डर गया और वो भागना चाहता था. लुक 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 डाउन देयर, द मैजिशियन ऑर्डर पॉइंटिंग टू द डीप होल इन द ग्राउंड. अलादीन लुक, ही सो ए बिग स्टोन एट द बॉटम ऑफ द होल. अब उस मैजिशियन ने कहा कि नीचे देखो नीचे देखो, और बोला अंदर देखो. इतने में अलादीन ने देखा तो एक बड़ा सारा पत्थर था उसके ऊपर. Under the stone, the magician told him, "You must climb down and get the lamp of me." He saw fear on Aladdin's face. Taking this ring, he said, "And you will be safe." Aladdin took the ring and put it on his finger. He climbed down into the hole. He lifted the stone under it, and where same step he went down. What happened when Aladdin he told that you have to go in the hole? Then he saw that Aladdin was frightened, so he gave him a ring. ring यानी अंगूठी दी और बोला इसको पहन लो और नीचे जाओ. Then what happened? He went down. He lifted the stone. उस होल के अंदर एक पत्थर पड़ा था बड़ा, उसको हटाते ही उसमें सीढ़ियाँ थी. स्टेप्स यानी सीढ़ियाँ. At the bottom of the step, Aladdin found himself in a beautiful garden. It seemed to be full of fruit trees. He went nearer. There were not fruit trees. They were trees covered with shining jewels, jewels of all color and all sizes. How they sparkled! Aladdin picked some of them and put them in his pocket. Now what happened? He went down the steps and he saw a beautiful garden. There were all fruits shining in the trees. फ्रूट्स यानी फल चमक रहे थे. उसने फल तोड़ने की कोशिश की पर वो फल नहीं थे, वो सारे हीरे जवाहरात थे. ज्वेल्स यानी हीरे जवाहरात थे. उन्होंने क्या किया, उनको तोड़ा और अपनी पॉकेट में डाल लिया. देन ही रिमेंबर्ड हिज अंकल वाज वाचिंग फॉर ए लैम्प. फिर उसे याद आया कि अरे अंकल तो बाहर खड़े, लैंप को याद कर ले. ही बिगेन लुकिंग फॉर इट. ही फाउंड इट इजीली. इट वाज हैंगिंग ऑन द गार्डन वॉल. ही टुक इट डाउन एंड पुश्ड इट इनसाइड हिज शर्ट. उसको लिया और शर्ट के अंदर डाल लिया. He went back through the garden, picking a jewel here and there for the jewel tree. He climbed the step. "Uncle, uncle," he cried, "I have found the lamp. Pull me out. Give me the lamp first, then I shall pull you out." "Oh no," thought Aladdin. "If I give him the lamp, he will take it and leave me here." Now Aladdin, he shouted, "Uncle, uncle, I have found the lamp. So please pull me out." But this man was very cruel, so he said, "First you give me the lamp, then I will pull it out." Then he said, "No, no, first you pull me out, then I will. I shall give you the lamp after you pull me out of the hole," he answered. The magician was angry. He pushed the stone over the hole and walked away. The magician was cruel. He threw the stone and he covered the hole and walked away. Then stay, he thought, he will be ready to obey me night underground in the dark. Alone in the dark, Aladdin was very frightened. He shouted for help. Nobody answered. He tried to move the stone. It was too heavy for him to lift. Uncle left me here to die, he thought. Poor mother, what will she be thinking? How she live without me? Now he was in the hole and it was growing dark. He thought maybe he will come, his uncle, but he did not came. He thought that he will die inside and his mother will think there. But there was no answer. He shouted for help. There was no answer. Thank you.